horses around, fully tapped up. I haven't seen you in forever.
No, I really need a cat to go after.
Ooh. Good boy. Yeah, shorten your reins a little more though. That a girl. Speed is not going to be a problem. Except that she might be too fast.
Well, that's really.
That was really well ridden. You looked right at me. I'm like. You've got to steady him. Make him feel confident. Ride quietly. Oh, Jen. Okay, you're going to go down and do that last one again. Right away, keep coming, keep coming. Do not charge at the officer. He can totally do it. Stay calm. Calm. Wait. No, wait. Let him go. Good boy. Go around, do that again. Okay? And this time when you see the distance to 1.5 away, let him jump to 1.5. Okay, but you got to keep your body back and don't start going into the gate. Steady up. Good boy. That's what you want to hear. Yeah, there you go. Good girl. Okay? So when it all starts getting a little free, legs go wider than his front legs. So that's when he's on the board. Yep, calm it down. Tell him when you see the distance. Yep, good girl. Yep, good girl. Calm it down. Yeah, good girl, Jen. Tell him when you see the spot. Yep. Good boy. Okay?